Assalamualaikum busy friends, my name is Busy Nuha. Today I am going to do some beginner ukulele stuff so that people who are starting off with playing ukulele can get a head start. And so and this is a DIY strap I've made out of rope. If you want me to make a tutorial on how to make your own strap, you just vote here if you want. Anyways, let's start playing. So, first we're gonna talk about tuning. Well, you have to make sure your strings are in tune. It should sound like this: G, C, E, A. Those are the names of the strings. And to tune your ukulele, you have to turn the knobs here. And you have to turn them until they sound nice. You can use a clip-on tuner, or you can use an app on any digital device and tune it until it sounds nice. So time to talk about strumming. Strumming, strumming, there's some ways you can strum. So strumming is quite one of the hardest parts of playing ukulele, but it's one of the first things you're going to learn in ukulele. So you just making sound like this. There's some ways to strum. You can use your thumb. You can use your thumb. So you use the pads of your thumb to strum down, and to strum up you use the nail of your thumb to go up. And there's another way which most ukulele players use is they use their index finger. They go down on the nail, and then to strum up they use the pads. So that's strumming. Now I'm gonna give you a set of chords, 4 chords, and to practice on, because those are the easiest chords. There's many songs that use those chords, so when you're a beginner, just find as much songs as you can that have those chords, because they're one of the easiest. They're the easiest chords to start off with. So the chords will be C. You have to place your middle finger, ring finger, or pinky. It doesn't really matter. You put it on the first string's 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. To play the A minor chord, you've got to place your middle finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret. And to play F, you make sure your middle finger stays in the same position. Take your index finger, place it on the 2nd string, 1st fret, and that's F. To play G, G is the hardest chord out of all these easy chords, but it's still easy, so you don't really need to worry. You just gotta practice that chord until it's alright. So take your index finger, place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, middle finger, 1st string, 2nd fret, and your ring finger, 2nd string, 3rd fret. So that's the chords that you will learn. Now let's try strumming down with these 4 chords: C, A minor, F, G. So let's try that. C, A minor, F, and G. Let's try again. That's the how you play ukulele. Once you're starting a ukulele journey, you should start with all these things. You should learn these things first, but once you're getting a hang of those chords and you're building up and advancing, then you should start learning new chords or start learning new techniques like finger picking and other stuff. You have and chucking other stuff. So you're just gonna start easy until you get the hang of it, and once you get the hang of it, you're just gonna build up. So yeah, bye guys. See you next time. Assalamualaikum. Bye. Don't forget.